This is everything I made to bring to the office to make my life a little bit easier for work, just so I don't have to think about what I'm going to eat, and it just helps to have that sorted out on Sunday. So the first thing I worked on was a banana bread that I had as breakfast with some fruit and yogurt, or I had it as a little dessert, but I also had it at home as well. I didn't just take it in for work. But this recipe is Justine Dorian's recipe, and I slightly altered it. I have a full recipe short for this if you want to watch it. Also, all the recipes for everything I make is in the description. For all of these type of videos, they're always there if you're interested and want to try and make these things. But this is one of the best banana breads I have ever made. I altered her recipe slightly, just reduced the sugar levels, and I only had 2 bananas, so that was one of the main reasons I changed her recipe, because hers calls for 3. But oh my gosh, it's like a brown butter caramel amazingness. It's so good. And I tried this trick that I saw on TikTok of putting the butter where you want the cake or bread to sort of like break, and it worked so well. I was so shocked. I love it. I'm using this now all the time when I'm baking. Next up, for breakfast and also for one of my meals, which was going to be a Mediterranean sort of like snack plate, I made these egg bites with tortilla as the little like quiche sort of crust, and just topped up some orange pepper and added some milk in there as well and some seasoning. But you can add whatever seasoning you want. Popped those in the oven. So easy to grab and go before work or take them to work. It's amazing. And then I made my chia seed pudding. I love this thing. It's actually chia and oat pudding. I've talked about this endlessly. The recipe's up. It's in almost every one of these videos that I make because I love it so much. Now on to main meals. I decided to do like a Chipotle taco burrito bowl situation with some tofu and fajita vegetables. What else was in there? Rice, obviously. And I cooked everything and I put them in like my little snack box. So I have 2 portions of this. Oh, and then I cut up some salad to add on top, plus an avocado as well that I'll chop up at work. And it's just easy, and you can put it together at work, and it kind of makes work lunches less boring. Then this is what I used the egg bites for. Obviously I had those for breakfast and snacks as well, but I had these like chickpea bite things and then these lentil chips. Added that together in a box with some hummus, chopped up some cucumbers as well, and had that as like a little snack plate situation for lunch as well. The final thing is a snack. It's this fruit and nut mix. I took my sunflower seeds and then my already mixed fruit and nuts. Sorry, just nuts. It's mixed nuts. And then cranberry and raisin mix as well, and some dates. And I just snacked on these throughout the week. I also added it to my oat chia pudding in the morning, and it was really nice and just easy to bring to the office and have if you want to grab and like munch on something. And that was everything for the week. I really hope you enjoyed and you consider making some of these recipes for your own work lunch. Bye!